G'day, Outback Outlaw here. So today I'm going to install some crash bars on the front and the back of the Indian Chief Darkhorse. So I'm going to give it a shot, see how we go. I'll probably make a few mistakes along the way. I am a little bit mechanically minded. I have put a few cars together. Motorbikes I haven't, so I will have to hope and pray that I do the right thing today. But anyway, I think the dog just pissed upstairs, just pissed on my bike.
Yeah.
Yep, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna have to go and fix that. Just went all over the front of the bike, so just had to wash everything off. So here we go. There's the box of goodies. Now I got this box through the internet. They're aftermarket. I actually got it through the store because the Indian ones are just way too expensive. So I got this before I came to Western Australia. So we've been here since March and it's now November. So it's been in the box all this time. And I've only just got the bike here last week, so this first one out. Here we go. It's a bit old. There we go. So there's the crash bar front. And these are all the pieces to go with it. Yep, here we go. We've got the ones for the back sitting in here as well. So that's awesome. Fantastic. Alright, I'll get them sorted. Alright guys, I'll just put the camera down. So, in the packet comes these little lug nuts here. And you need to be able to use these to attach the front bar on. So I need to make sure I've got the right Allen key for this. If I don't have the right Allen key, I'm going to have to go back to square one. But I'll go and find my toolkit and get the right size Allen key. Be back. little bit of stuffing around, but I was able to get crash bars on. I didn't actually have the right Allen key to put on the bike to get the bottom bolts down the bottom here. I didn't have the right size Allen key, so one of the contractors here, he had some king chrome Allen keys and perfect fit. So what I found out that what I had to do is I had to actually take off in here. There's a bolt, don't know if you can see it, there's one there, and so there's one down here in this section here where my finger is, goes through there, there's a bolt in there, you can see it there. So I had to loosen that one, and I had to loosen this one here to be able to lift the footboard all the way up to be able to get in and tighten inside here. So I'm not sure if you can see my finger, but tighten inside there and get the Allen key in there. So I got that one done. So I'm really glad that the contractor had the right Allen key. So this is the crash bar, which is really good. I'm going to feel a lot more safer when I go out on the sand and dirt driveways. I've got about 1 kilometre worth of dirt that I've got to ride to get out onto the bitumen road. So I won't be doing that today. I'll park the bike up and I might take it for a ride tomorrow and see how we go. Anyway, got that done. Wasn't really an install video, too much stuffing around. And there's the Indian teddy bear. So she needs another wash, so I'll give it another wash, but that's it. Thanks for hanging around. Cheers.